so first of all we need to import the point file, then the CSV file, and need to the menu group, then add so once having then to create surface, just enter the surface name, and group select it. Okay, just boundary, give boundary name and define boundary. This is the boundary. Okay, also just has already defined boundary, and go to just now you have to create grid. So AP command is enter, then select this will be the external file, so I will put in video or video description in my description, so you can download from there. So then you will select it, just load and close it. So then you have to enter the grid command. So select left, top right corner, and interval just from we are taking 5 meter interval. Okay, and enter, just off this name. Why yes, we are it this name. So you will see that the grid value is the grid drop. So you can see here the grids have been created. So you have to just if you want to put the spot elevation on grid, so go through it from annotate, just create level and go to spot and spot elevation on grid. So you have to select grid gas point. This will be the gas point. If you want to rotate, no, just 0, enter. Yes, 5 meter interval. Yes, we need to select upper right corner. If you no, we will do it on the side rotation of the grid. So you can see here the values have been created. So if this value is coming like this, you can reduce. So go through is properties, just properties, and just and current scenarios. you want to rotate 45 degree, you can rotate. You can see here. But you can see the values are overlapping to each other, so we need to reduce it. So we can reduce this, we can put the one on side. Now it's clear and okay. So here this you can create the values on there. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.